All right, guys, this is going to be your review video for distance learning week 4. I'm going to walk you through all the activities and my expectations for the activities. This is a review. We're going to be working on two-step equations and inequalities. First, you're going to watch the video that I am making, and then remember that you can see all of your notes for this unit in Google Classroom. You'll just scroll down until you see Interactive Notebook Unit 2. Please make sure that you are watching any videos before you complete Google activities. I'm starting to notice as I'm giving y'all feedback that it seems like you're just going straight to questions that you can answer, and that's not the way that this was designed. We can't be with you in the classroom teaching, so we rely on those videos for our instruction. So I really want you to watch the videos. Each lesson or activity is supposed to take about 30 minutes. So watch the video, complete the Google form or the activity that goes with it, and it shouldn't take you any more than 30 minutes or so. So please make sure that you guys are doing that this week. Let's look at our agenda. Now remember, I designed this for you guys, but it doesn't mean that you have to complete it this way. It's just what I would do if I were you. So Monday's a school holiday, so we won't be worrying about anything on Monday. Our video chat is canceled. You should have gotten a notification about that to your email. On Tuesday, you can watch the intro video that I am making right now. And then there is an equations with integers video and a corresponding Google form that goes with it. On Wednesday, there's an equations with rational numbers video and then a Google form that goes with that and a video chat at 1 o'clock. So that did not change for the week. On Thursday, there's some equations, Google Slides activities that I'm going to show you. And then on Friday, it's optional enrichment activities. And remember that all work is due Friday by 4, and I will post new work on Friday at 4. The only change that was made was for the week that we are currently working in. It was posted last Thursday to give y'all time to work on it before the break, if you so chose. All right, this is a little cheat sheet to help you remember things about equations and inequalities. Or you can refer back to your notes, but you can also refer back to this for just a quick glance, because it has been, if it was Unit 2, it's been a little bit since we've done this, like the first grading period. All right, please go through and work on things in this order. You're going to watch the video from me and then everything that I just listed on the agenda, but you can refer back to this slide if you have any questions or know what order that I would like for you to work in things. Don't hop around, don't look for the easiest thing, go in this order, okay? Again, the enrichment activity for the week is an optional Imagine Math pathway over equations. I'm going to assign it to everybody. You can work on this if you're looking for extra work, okay, to just help with your understanding. And then the last thing I need to go over with you guys is the Google Hangout. Monday has been canceled due to the holiday, but we will meet on Wednesday, same Google Hangout, come with questions, and I will work through everything with you. Okay, let's talk about the activities. So for two-step equations, you'll come and you'll watch this video. It's the equations with integers video, okay? Then there will be the corresponding Google form that goes with it. You'll do your name and then you'll submit this to me at the end. And once you send it to me up here, with this button, you'll send this to my email address and then we'll be done, okay? And it'll give me the information. This is the two-step equations with rational numbers, so you'll watch this video. And then there is, again, a Google form that you will go ahead and you will submit to me, okay, at the end of it. Then there is 2 activities for equations and inequalities that you can kind of manipulate. So what we're going to do first is you're going to go and you're going to make a copy of this presentation. So you'll go to File and then make a copy, entire presentation, and then you'll rename this right here with your name. So mine's obviously Mrs. Brown, but I'm going to go ahead and just type Lindsay for the purposes of this video, okay? And I'm going to hit OK. And then when I do that, everything that I do in this video, I can manipulate and do whatever I need to do with it. So let's look at this one. Here, you're going to solve the inequality. You're going to tell me if it's true or false. Okay, was the statement true or was the statement false? And then you're going to justify why you think it's true or why you think it's false right here. So you can type in all of these spaces. Okay, you can type in this little space. Okay, so you'll do that and then you'll turn it into me. Okay, so there's 7 questions right there. And again, you'll probably have to solve these on another piece of paper before you can justify and tell me if they're true or false. And then the second activity, each of these cards has a match. You're going to put the cards that match next to each other like so. I'm not saying that these two cards match, but if I were to think that they match, you will put them together like so. And then you, at the end, will submit this to me. You can share it via email, or you can, so you could type my email address right here, and I've provided that on the blue slide, or you can get the shareable link and attach the link to Google Classroom. I'm fine with either of those two things. And if this is too small for you guys as you're working, you can go to view and then zoom, and then you could make it as big or small. That's probably a little bit too big. Make it as big or small as you would like to make it to and be able to manipulate it and see it a little larger. Same thing with this right here. You can view it at 100%. Let me know if you have any questions. You can send me a private message on Google Classroom, or you can show up to the video chat on Wednesday. And I think that's it. Just let me know if you need anything. See y'all later.